Good morning, class. We finished the lesson number 1. Now today I am going to start the lesson number 2, that is periodic classification of element. Before start anything, first we have to understand what is the element, where does it comes from. See, we see many things around us that all are matter. Matter means a substance like a rock, wall, soil, water, air, light. These all are a type of a matter or a substance. This matter is classified in 3 groups. See, matter is like a substance. This matter is classified in 3 groups. First one is element, second one compound, third one mixture. See the definition. The things which can be made by only one kind of a things, one kind of a substance, that is known as a element. For example, potassium, sodium, chlorine, etc. These all are the element. Second thing, compound. Compound is a type of a mixture. So its definition is the mixture of 2 or more than 2 elements in a fixed proportion. See, this word is very important. In a fixed proportion is called as compound. For example, H2O. In the H2O, 2 molecules of hydrogen and 1 molecule of oxygen is combined together and form H2O. This 2 and 1 is fixed. It cannot change. HCl, H2SO4, sodium chloride, these all are the examples of compound. And the third one is mixture. Its definition is very easy. Mixture is just a mixture. The mixture of 2 or more than 2 substances or more than 2 compounds in any proportion. Its proportion is not fixed. So it is known as a mixture. For example, milk, bhel, etc. Now, in all these 3, element, compound and mixture, we have to concentrate on the element. So this element is 2 types. It is further classified in 2 groups. One is metal, second one is non-metal. Metal and non-metal you learn in the 8th standard also. The element which have tendency to lose the electron. The element which have tendency. The tendency word means the capacity. उसकी क्या काबिलियत है, power है. That is the to lose the electron. That is known as metal. For example, potassium, magnesium, chlorine, sodium, aluminium. These all are the metal. And non-metal, the element which have tendency to gain the electron is known as non-metal, like boron, bromine, chlorine, iodine, etc. These are the non-metals. Now from here our lesson number 1 is started. So see, we learn that element is classified in 2 groups, metal and non-metal. But there are some more elements which have the properties of sometimes it acts like a metal, sometimes non-metal, and the scientist has no idea to classify them, which group in which group, उसको metal में रखना है non metal में रखना है, कोई idea नहीं था. So for that the scientists started their experiment to classify that type of a group. So first Daubeney started the experiment. He make a group of 3 elements, and according to him the atomic mass number is approximately equals to the mean of the first and last. See, a group of 3 elements is known as the traits, and this trait is made by the scientist Daubeney. That's why it is known as a Daubeney's trait. it's a statement is there, a group of three elements having same properties of the atomic mass of middle element is the atomic mass of the is the mean of the atomic masses of the first and third element. See here, it is wrong. I repeat the statement again. The group of three elements having same properties, the atomic mass of the middle element is the mean of the atomic masses of the first and third element. See example, for example, three element, lithium, sodium, potassium. Symbol is lithium Li, sodium Na, potassium K. Atomic mass of lithium is 6.9, sodium 23, and the potassium is 39.1. According to Dobronius, this 23 is equals to the mean of the first and last. See, atomic mass of sodium, lithium plus potassium upon 2. Lithium is 6.9, potassium 39.1 upon 2. When we are adding this, so we got 46.0 upon 2. It equals to 23. That means its theory is right. But not all the elements which are discovered at that time, not all the elements are followed this rule. That's why, like every coin has two sides, so every experiment also having merits and demerits. So not all the elements are obeying this rule. That's why this experiment was failed. So to classify this type of element, another scientists are started their experiment that we will discuss in the next class.